traders, welcome back to this new video for pre-market analysis of 4th November, and the day will be Friday. So before analyzing the pre-market analysis, I just want to show you how I trade for today and what was the logic behind. So this was the bank, so this is the strike price which I have sold from around, okay, so where around I sold around 200 this point, so 206 I sold around this point, and I booked the profit around here at 0. So how did I do that? So let's take a look in bank nifty chart. Okay, so this is nifty bank. Okay, so what was the reason behind my trade? So I just draw a trend line here. It's very simple. Traders, you guys also can earn. It's very simple. The thing is, first we have to learn, we have to experience our strategy, then we have to do it in live market. First we have to learn and experience, we have to do back testing, forward testing. After that we have to apply on the live market so that we can gain confidence. So this is how I traded for today. So there is a proper trend line here, and I thought that okay, so the once if the trend line breaks, then the market will make a high of this, another swing high. So this was my point. So I sold. Why I sold instead of selling? So I can buy, right? But the thing is, today is Thursday, the premium decay will be very fast, so that's the reason I sold instead of, I used to sell instead of buying. So I want to get the theta decay, so that's the reason I sold. So okay, this was my position. Okay, so this was my position. Okay, so this is the place where I have sold this. I have sold here and I have booked profit around 0. So okay, I'll show you the execute one. Okay, so here is the place where I've sold. So I sold at 206. Okay, and I bought at 0.55. Okay, so this is the one. I sold at 206 and I bought at 0.55. The other one is like okay, so this is my total position and this was my total profit, and this is after reducing everything, this is my total profit. So why there is a loss here? So this is just to reduce the margin, because if we buy like small OTMs, we can reduce the margin. So that's the reason behind I took this trade. And so after deducting all these losses and profits, so this is my actual profit, and something like 99 plus, that will be my total profit after deducting with all the brokers. So this is how we are going to trade, traders. We should not focus on the profits, we should focus on the analysis. So meanwhile there were ups and downs, up and downs, up and downs, up and downs. So but doesn't matter, I just want my analysis to be correct. So I don't depend on the profit, I just depend on the points. Okay, so yeah, yesterday itself I have told you that in pre-market analysis I have told you that if Nifty 50 opens gap down, if Nifty 50 opens gap down and make a green color candle, we are going to trade, we are going to buy from the high of the candle. So this was the analysis I have discussed yesterday. So yeah, people who have watched the video for pre-market analysis could have gained profit, and this was our target, 18,100. So we have already discussed in the pre-market analysis. So now it's okay. I guess somebody might have earned a lot. So now let's discuss for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, pre-market analysis. So this is Nifty 50 chart. Okay, and we'll look in 15-minute time frame for analysis. Okay, so this is Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so let's assume if Nifty 50 opens flat in the range of around 18,080 or 18,070. So we are going to wait and watch until and unless unless it gives a closing above 18,100. We are going to wait and watch. So above 18,100 we are very bullish. The thing is, it will make a proper price action here. So it be above 18,100. If it gives a 5-minute closing here, then we are going to target till 18,180 or 18,200 by keeping 25 to 30 point stop loss. So this is how we are going to trade for Nifty 50 tomorrow, and the market is very bullish, guys. And for selling, I don't recommend you for selling. The thing is, below 17,000, until and unless it gives a proper closing below 17,950, below this we are not going to sell. We are not going to create any position for bearish. So here we can see a trend line. So the market is expected to stay in this range, and if anything gives a closing above 18,000, above 80, we can start buying with half quantity, and if gives a proper closing above 18,100, we can start with full quantity. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty 50. And let's assume if Nifty, okay, so we'll look at Nifty Bank chart. Okay, so this is the chart for Nifty Bank. Yeah, Nifty Bank looks so interesting, and the closing is closing was so good. So in Nifty Bank, if it opens flat in the range of 41,400, okay, so until and unless if it gives a closing above 41,480 or above 500, okay, until and unless if it gives a closing above 41,500, we are not going to trade anything in this range. This is not so this will be a no trading zone, because in this the market will be so volatile, and if it breaks above 41,500, we are going to create a bullish position, and that momentum will be very fast, guys. So our target will be of 200 to 300 to 400. So this will be our first target, second target will be 300, and the third target will be 400, just by keeping a 50-point stop loss. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty Bank. And tomorrow is Friday, guys. If it is trending, the market will be very trending, and if it is volatile, the market will stay in this range. So if anything gives a closing above 41,500, I'm very bullish, and I'll be trading in the upside zone. So for selling, I don't recommend you to sell if it gives a proper closing below 41,000. So 41,000 is the range where we can start selling. So below 41,000, I don't recommend you to sell. So this is how we're going to trade, guys. And okay, so this is our Telegram group. Okay, so this is our Telegram group. So in this group, this is the discussion group, and this is the Telegram group. So in this group, you can find the market updates and how will be the market, and so this all the updates of the courses and all the updates of our group. So you can find all the updates here. So if you guys want to join this group, you can click on the link below the description box, and you can join in this. And moreover, we have classes on coming Saturday, that is November of 12th, next Saturday. So 12th of November, we have a stock market free class, and if any guys want to join this, you can click on the link which is given in the description box below, and you can join. It's totally free, of course, guys. So you can avail this kind of offers. So here I'll end the video for today.